Hello and welcome to today's class. So today we'll be talking about polynomial division and we have an example 22, 2x squared plus x minus 3 divided by x minus 1. If you can remember our long division method, we simply use that same method to apply to this polynomial division. So before we continue, let me bring you back to our long division method. Let's say we have 208 divided by what? 16. If we were to use our long division method, we'll write 16 here and we'll write 208. So this will be your what? Divisor, while this will be your what? Dividend. Please don't forget. Alright, so 16, 16 divided by 2 cannot go. So we have to do 16 divided by 20, which will give us 1. You write the 1. Since you're taking this 2 now, you write the 1 under or above this 0, which will give you 1. Then 16 times 1 will give you what? 16. Next up, you subtract both of them. So 20 minus 16 will give you 4. Then you bring down this 8. Yeah, you bring it down here. So you'll be left with what? 48. Now 16 minus 4 can't go again. So 16 minus 48 will give you what? 3. So you write it again here. Then you have 16 times 3, which will give us what? 48. You write it here. Subtract again, I'll be left with 0. So we'll have that what? 208 over 16 is equals to what? 13. Very simple, right? So now let's use this knowledge to what? Solve the question we have above. So we'll start. 2x squared divided by x will give us what? 2x. Now let's do it here. 2x squared divided by x. Simply what? 2 times x times what? X all over x. X will cancel x and we'll be left with what? 2 what? X. So 2x divided by x will give us what? 2 what? X. So next up, you multiply 2x by the divisor. So you have that what? 2x will multiply what? X minus 1. And we have that 2x times x raised to the power of 1 here, x raised to the power of 1. And you know that when you're multiplying two the same base, you what? Add their what? Power. So we left with what? 2x raised to the power 1 plus 1. Then 2x minus times minus 1 is a positive here. And we know that positive times negative is equal to negative. So we'll put it here. Negative, positive times negative. Then 2x times 1 will give us what? 2x. So we'll be left with what? 2x squared minus 2x. So we'll bring it down here. 2x squared minus 2x. Then we'll simply what? Subtract both of them. So if we subtract 2x squared, we'll cancel 2x squared. 2x squared will cancel 2x squared. Then minus x minus 2x. Remember, there's a minus here and there's a minus here. So minus times minus will be plus. So it's now be plus x plus 2x. Let me write it down here. We have 2x squared minus 2x squared, which equals to 0. To be 0. Why we have what? Plus x minus minus 2x, which is the same thing as what? X minus times minus will give us plus what? 2x, which will now give us what? 3 what? X. So we'll have 3x here plus 3x, right? Then we bring down this minus 3 since nothing is here. Minus 3. The next step, you repeat the same process. 3x divided by x. Let's do it here. 3x divided by x. X will cancel x and we're left with what? 3. So we'll have what? Plus what? 3 here. Then we'll do the same thing. 3 times what? X minus 1. 3 times x will give us 3x. And 3 times minus 1 will give us minus 3. So we're left with what? 3x minus what? 3. So if we subtract 3x minus x plus 3x, so if we subtract, we have that 3x minus 3x equals to 0. So here will be 0. And minus 3 minus minus 3. How that minus 3 minus minus 3 will become minus 3 plus 3, which is equals to 0. So here will also be 0. So we have that 2x squared plus x minus 3 divided by x minus 1 will give us our final answer as 2x plus what? 3, which is this over here. If you enjoyed this video, please kindly drop a like. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section and share this video out so others too can learn. Thank you.